As you know, the unemployment rate is rising day by day. People are looking for jobs online, but they do not have the skills and proper guidance. In this informative article, I will talk about the best apps to make money online in Pakistan. Please select an application and start earning. Unemployment will rise over the years. Here are the complete details about online monetization applications. Number 2. Fiverr. It's the same as Upwork. It's one of the best freelance platforms in the world. If you are a student and if you want to make money, make a splash on this website and start making money. But before applying, you have to have skills for a job. First, create a profile on Fiverr, then create a gig on Fiverr. Make a gig according to skill. Once your gig is ranked, your earnings will start. You could earn thousands of dollars a month after the order delivery will be paid to you. You can withdraw your earnings from a local bank account. Number 3. YouTube. Making money from YouTube in 2016 is becoming more and more popular. Making money on YouTube is not easy these days. You need to create original content. If your content is fake or duplicate, you are ineligible to earn. Create a channel on YouTube first. You can easily create a channel. You can also watch channel building videos on YouTube. Then upload the videos to the YouTube channel. Make sure your video content is original. To monetize, you need to complete 1,000 users and 4,000 hours of viewing time. After that, the YouTube team will review your channel. You will then receive a monetization email from YouTube. After monetization, various ads will run on your videos. In return, you will receive a payment from YouTube. You can withdraw money from your bank account. Number 4. Facebook. Facebook has a wide range of applications. There are different ways you can make money. You can create a page on Facebook. You can sell different items on your Facebook page. You can also link your website to a Facebook page. Start posting on the website. Share the link of the post on the Facebook page. Facebook will give you traffic to your website. That way you can make money using Facebook. Many people waste their time on Facebook, but they do not make a single penny from Facebook. Please make money from Facebook as it is a good social media platform. Number 5. TikTok. TikTok is a media app. But you can also make money using TikTok. You need to invite other friends. You will receive an invitation link to invite friends. If you want to make money, send your invitation link to your friends. If your friends create a TikTok account with your invitation link, you'll get some points. Earn as many invitations as possible. You can withdraw money from your local bank account. You can also withdraw money in Jazz Cash and Easy Paisa accounts. Number 6. Snack Video. Snack Video is like TikTok. Snack Video is a fun application. You can move videos by watching short videos. You can also make money with Snack Videos. To do this, you need to create an account on Snack Video. After creating an account on Snack Video, you need to invite your friends. You can invite your friends by sending an invitation link. If someone joins the Snack Video from your link, you will be paid. You can withdraw money in Jazz Cash and Easy Paisa.